did get a CR style copy for the S2000 here that I'm gonna be putting on. I got to get the back bumper fixed. Fun fact, AAA actually dropped my S2000 off of a flatbed, so they owe me a new rear bumper. I'm gonna do a new AP2 bumper. That thing's actually getting paint this weekend, and we should be able to have that installed by Sunday, so that'll be exciting. Then we'll toss the spoiler on, and then as far as next mods go, I don't know, maybe a turbo, we'll see. And so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my S2000, and then we'll go ahead and get this launched for, you know, starting to do some modifications and a lot of videos about it for the channel. It runs really, really good. It's honestly, in my opinion, one of the most fun cars to drive ever built. I've driven Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, a lot of different things, and this car is just so engaging. Being a 6-speed manual, I just absolutely love it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive it around to the back. We're gonna go ahead and get prepped to start installing that wing, and we'll follow up with you soon. I've got the wing right here. I'm actually gonna head out to my buddy Daniel's house. He's a really good friend of mine, great mechanic, helps me do all my work on my S2000. So we're gonna head out to his house right now, go get into the shop, install this. We're gonna swap out the catalytic converter because I gotta pass state inspection, and then after that, who knows, maybe. Are you comfortable being on camera?
Occasionally.
Only naked. Only naked.
What it's for, yeah.
in your special films.
Special film.
The double wing.
Yeah.
The little spoiler, and then the extra wing on top is quite a bit. Is it even painted under there though?
Yeah.
Got a nice little Prelude motor going together right here. Stand up. More jet skis. Drop in the motor. Little Prelude going together. Daniel's built a bunch of these Preludes. Honestly, they're good investments. Pretty cheap. Fun cars to drive around. There you go, flip flop. Attaboy. Man.
Dunsky.
All this freaking crap on the back.
Bring out the big guns.
Yep. All right, we've made forward progress, right, Daniel? Got our templates set up.
Got it set up.
We're ready to start drilling. We get some cardboard, right? Laid it on top of here. Poke some pinholes. Here's our really, really high-tech measurements, if y'all need those. Moment of the truth. The drill is out.
Just working on my buddy's car right now.
Very high-tech template. Sharpie marks for the drill holes. And we're off. Man, that looks freaking badass, dude. Absolutely unbelievable.
You need to get it painted, man.
With the black rims, it looks pretty good black.
Yeah, just paint it black then.
We can do it on your S now?
We'll see. I'm not trying to drill into my shit.
So now we have a lovely mechanical issue.
That is not
Sounds like a
sound
four-stroke dirt bike.
Something's up.
Let's turn around.
We need to find a good spot to turn around.
So we got a loose coil pack clip. So basically it's not getting spark on one cylinder.
Most likely.
That's lovely. So the idea is what, you clip it back together and it works fine?
Yeah,
Or the clip could possibly be broken.
possibly be broken.
Snapped. Yeah, did you hear this thing? It sounds like a VW bus.
Sounded a little weird.
Sure didn't sound like an S2000.
Not at all.
Sounds fixed to me. 'Still getting, 'still getting a little bit of spark. Still 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 getting a little bit of spar that kind of dying effect though. So it turns out, I guess, that it was just a coil pack. Front coil pack was fully dead, so we had no spark on the front cylinder. But we got that fixed, thankfully. Daniel, he's the king of S2000s and had like 20 coil packs. Sounds better to me. We have spark, we have power, we got horsepower. Some horsepower. We're about to find out here in a second. Here we go. Man, that red interior and that black wing, that thing looks solid. Look at that other side. Bro.
Pretty fucking good.
Oh, stalled out.
Insurance wishes I would have told them.
New cat. Well, test pipe's out. Now cat. Now we have is this OEM cat? High flow?
High flow cat.
High flow cat with a straight pipe.
I go.
Did you make the straight pipe?
No, it was already made. I bought it.
This is the NASCAR straight pipe.
I made it.
It's been made once.
Ugly ass worlds.
All right, y'all, we got the straight pipe on. I personally don't like it. It sounds so loud. It's crazy. Show you guys. Honestly, I think it sounds way more like a Honda Civic than it does now an S2000. I'll show you guys. I gotta say, right there, it sounds pretty good. Sounds a little bit like a race car. Here we go. Shit's about to be crazy. I think it sounds terrible.
Oh, it sounds so good. Your motor sounds so healthy.